All right, network engineers, let's cut through the noise and talk about one of the unsung heroes of long-distance networking, the EDFA, Erbium-Doped Fiber Amplifier. So what exactly is an EDFA? Imagine you're sending data over fiber optic cables, but you've got hundreds of kilometers to cover. Eventually, the light signals get tired. Yeah, they lose power as they travel. That's where the EDFA steps in. It's like a power boost for your optical signal, letting it travel way farther without needing to convert it back and forth between light and electricity. Let's break down how it works. Inside the EDFA, there's a special chunk of optical fiber that's been doped with erbium ions. Hit it with a laser, usually at 980 or 1480 nanometers, and those erbium atoms get excited. When your data signal passes through, the excited erbium dumps its energy right into your signal, making it stronger, all optical, and super efficient. Where do I see these in action? Pretty much anywhere you need to blast data across continents. Think undersea cables, long-haul telecom, even big data centers with sprawling campus networks. Why do network engineers love EDFAs? First, they're crazy efficient. No need for optical electrical conversion. They're low noise, can amplify multiple wavelengths at once thanks to DWDM tech, and they're pretty much plug and play. But EDFAs aren't perfect. They don't work well at all wavelengths, just that sweet C and L band. If you push them too hard, you get noise and distortion. Plus, they're sensitive to temperature swings and can be a pain to manage in tough environments. Bottom line, EDFAs are the backbone of long-distance fiber networks. They let us move more data farther and faster than ever before. Pretty cool, right?